Hey, what's up? Today I want to talk with you about Haylou GT1 wireless earbuds. Actually, we already made video about them about 1 year ago. However, they had another box. I am very interested if there are other differences between these earbuds except the box. Also, I will try to find out if you should buy Haylou GT1 earbuds in 2021. Hit the like button and let's get started. As I already said, the earbuds come in a new box. The inscriptions on the box are in Chinese and English, so probably this version is for Chinese and global markets. Inside the box there is charging case with 2 earbuds, user manual, also in English and Chinese, micro USB charging cable, and extra ear tips. You know, one of the main features of Haylou GT1 is very small charging case. Its dimensions are 65 by 30 by 25 mm. It is very comfortable to hold the charging case in one hand because of its rounded shape. There is only micro USB charging port on the back of the case. The earbuds themselves are made of the same material as the charging case. There is touch panel and LED indicator on the outside, and 2 charging contacts on the inside. You can also change the silicone ear tip. You know, Haylou GT1 are very popular wireless earbuds, and I think they still look very good for 2021. But what about performance and sound quality? Let's talk about that. The connection of Haylou GT1 to smartphone is the same as other wireless earbuds. Take them out of charging case, go to Bluetooth settings on mobile device and choose Haylou GT1. That's all. You know, Haylou GT1 have touch control buttons, and I think that's not very good, because you will often stop or switch tracks while fixing the earbuds in your ears. However, this is a problem of most wireless earbuds with touch panels, not only Haylou GT1. So, using touch buttons, you can pause the music, play next or previous song, and activate voice assistant. There are also options to answer the phone call, as well as ignore it. If you want to power off the earbuds, just long press for about 4.5 seconds on the left or right earbud. I was really impressed by the sound quality of Haylou GT1 last year. However, now they sound just okay. Yes, the bass is really good, but the sound could be clearer. There are many other budget wireless earbuds from 2020 and even 2021 with better sound quality than Haylou GT1. For example, some weeks ago we tested Lenovo LP1 and LP2 earbuds. They cost about the same as Haylou GT1, but have much better sound quality. Now I suggest you to listen to audio sample from microphone of Haylou GT1 earbuds.
Hey, this is Tech Brothers. I am testing the microphone of Haylou GT1. I am in my studio, and it is a very quiet place. Now let me play the video of the street noise on my computer. Do you feel the difference? Write in the comments below.
The last test for Haylou GT1 is Latency Test. I already have PUBG Mobile on my smartphone, so let's play a little. As you can see, there is a latency, but it is very low. Most likely you will not notice it in games and even when watching videos. So the charging case of Haylou GT1 has a battery capacity of 310 mAh. You can use the case to charge the earbuds 3 times. On a single charge of earbuds, you can listen to music up to 4 hours, and you will have about 12 hours of battery life with charging case. You know, Haylou GT1 is not the new earbuds, and probably you can find better TWS earbuds in 2021 for the same price. However, they still have good battery life, low latency, and a nice design with quality materials. For example, the same Lenovo earbuds have much worse build quality. So if you can buy Haylou GT1 for a very attractive price, under $15, then why not? These are still good budget earbuds for 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.